Hi, this overview is for mentors to understand the mentor flow process. This is our core Invent-a-thon team site. Currently, I'm in the General tab. There's a mentor area where all mentors and participants can participate and have conversations or make a mentor request. So I'll go ahead as if I'm a participant and I need help. I come in, I say my name. So I'm Carl Sweetland. My team name is the Healthy Ones. My channel, and I'm grabbing my channel code from over here, and I'm going to be working in rural health. And so my channel is RH001. We're only asking them to use the 2 letters and then the 3 numbers. And I'm working in rural health. And I need some business help. And I'm going to describe my need. I need to build an ROI model and don't know how to get started. And I submit. So that's a participant asking for help. They get a little message saying, hey, someone will be monitoring you, be with you shortly. As a mentor, you come over into the mentor only area. Notice it has a padlock, so only mentors are allowed in here. On the top, we've got mentor request. And this is a list that shows all the ones that have currently come in. Right now, it's showing only new and active request. If you come over here, there's a drop down. If you want to see all the items, you can change that to all, and you'll see every single item. So there's actually one here that's complete. I can look at just the active. I can do, and we'll go back to the new and active because that's really what we're monitoring. You can do your own filters here. You can also filter by drop-down box. But if you're the mentor helping with business support, you can simply just click on here. This opens the last one that was just opened. I come in, I can read the description, the status. Since I'm going to pick this one up and start working on it, I want people to know I'm going to go ahead and active. I can come over here and put my name in. Now I'll be John Doe. And I don't have any notes yet because I haven't helped them. But if I had some notes, like maybe I saw another person was working on it and I also had some experience and worked with the groups, I might put a note in here. I'm also helping, and we just put another name over here. So let's say Tarzan. And it saves as we go in. So now if I look at the channel, it's RH001. So I come over to RH001. And now I'm in their channel. I can start a new conversation. Hi, I'm here to help with the ROI questions. And we enter it, and that would start a chat, and we can start having a chat here. If we want to go ahead and meet with them directly, we can go ahead and click on Meet, and when we click on that, it's going to start a session. And I go here, and now we're recording, and other people will join in, and we can go ahead and have the meeting. So if I go, I'm going to go ahead and hang up. And we're back in here. Let's say we completed their process. I then go back over to the mentor area. I go to the request queue. I'm going to go into this business one, active and complete. If there's any notes that you want to add to the ticket, you can, but now it's completed. So I'm going to go back to the chat area and just watch. We are providing another way because we know that several of you work in multiple monitors. If you want to just monitor their list outside of Teams, you can click on this. It's going to open up the Sharepoint list. And here's the Sharepoint list. You can even hit edit in grid view, and now you can come over here and say, oh, I'm going to pick up this surgical care one, and I'm going to just change it from new to active. I can come over here to mentor assigned, Carl Sweetland. And then I'm going to go click back over to the team site, go down to that surgical care. This one happens to be hidden, so I'm going to unhide it. And there's that surgical care. And now I can come in here and start the same process. So that's the basic mentor flow. Hopefully you found this helpful.